The Poo Files.
Poo Files open.
Bat flies. They're flies that live on bats. In most parts of the world, they survive by sucking bat blood, like tiny vampires. The New Zealand species of bat fly prefers to eat bat poo. That is some international level whakama right there.
Fart facts. Pumpernickel bread, popular in sandwiches or on its own. But before you stick it in your gullet, however, there are things you need to know. Pumpernickel is German for devil's fart. And they named it that for a reason. Don't say we didn't warn you.
Who's Poos?
Who left this trail of pink patties in the snow? Penguin or seal? Place your bets.
Know your pee.
Donkey urine. In ancient Greece, doctors used it to treat insanity. Or, if you had a fever, they'd boil an egg in human urine, then bury it in an anthill. Makes perfect sense to me.
Who's Poos?
Who laid a trail of rose-coloured rope? The Ardeley penguin. They eat so much pink-coloured krill that it turns their poo pink. Blimmin' show-offs. Righto, had your fun.
Poo Files closed.